Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're adding one thing to our morning routine, and it is making the bed. So I am wearing the same clothes that I was earlier because it's the same day. I need a lot of time to wake up and just be coherent. But making the bed and some of those are just kind of automatic for me. So it is evening but I figured I would go and record it so I can get it out for you guys tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed. So let's get to it. All right, so the bed is made. Let's see if you can see it. What am I thinking? You already saw it. So it's really just that easy. So having something like a duvet or like a quilt or something, what you see here is actually a whole heating pad for, basically it's like a heating blanket for the whole bed. That's why you see that right there. That's actually one of my controls. Having something like that makes things a lot easier because it doesn't have to be wonderful. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to do that in our weekly home blessing. Really here, just pull up the top, pull it up to the pillows and you're done. So super, super simple. So like I said, we're going to be adding that to our morning routine and that's really it. So I hope you all have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys tomorrow. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, click my face on the left. And if you want, there's a video I'm probably getting my stuff all confused. But if you click on the right, there's actually a video that I think you're going to enjoy. So I'll see you in that video. Have a wonderful day.